What's up, guys? James living in paradise. Listen, stop swiping, stop. Listen to me very carefully. If you're not making $1,000 a day posting pictures and videos on social media, if you're not making $1,000 a day minimum, stop and listen to this right now. Okay, here's the deal, guys. Listen, you've got 99.9% of the people out there on social media, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, my ex-wife's ass, my grandma, whatever. Guys, they're not making any money. Some of them are making a little money. Some of them have millions of followers. I've got a client right now. They've got over 14 million followers. They're only making about $1,000 a month. What? Are you out of your freaking mind? Guys, if you're not making $1,000 a day posting videos on all these stupid social apps, stop the madness. Stop. Don't do anything else. You're doing it wrong. There's a better way. Listen, most coaches, most trainers, most mentors, they're going to say, post 100 videos a day until you get one that goes viral, and then you're going to get millions of followers, and then you can start selling them a product, and you can make millions of dollars. Bullshit. You got about a 99.9% that's never going to happen. I got a better way. How about this? Picture this. What if I can show you how to create one ad that you can put on every social media channel, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Google, every search engine, YouTube. I'll run YouTube right now. You can put this ad everywhere on the internet and social media, and then you can have thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people watching this ad. They see the ad, they click on the ad, and then they go watch a video presentation, one video. Not posting 20, 30, 40 fucking videos every day. Are you out of your mind? Stop. One ad, one video, put in front of millions of people on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, and here's what's going to happen. Okay, people watch your presentation, and if they're interested in your product or service, they're going to tap a little button, and they're going to go buy your product. That's it. You get paid. That's it. Number two, or you get them on a live phone call and you talk about helping them in their business or life with whatever you're selling, whatever you're promoting or marketing. That's it. It's done. You make money. You get paid. Now, there is a very simple, easy, guys, process to put this whole system together, because I've been doing this since 2009, and every year we kind of tweak it and make it better. But there's no better time than right now, February 1st, 2023, to stop the madness, stop going on TikTok Live, stop trying to make gifts and make thousands of dollars every day on TikTok Live. Guys, one day TikTok's going to be over. In fact, there's a better app called Clapper. Everybody's moving over there. But here's the system I want you to have. Okay, it's very simple. It goes like this. We create one ad, put it in front of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people all over the internet. We sell a product or service on a presentation video, one video. Instead of posting a 15-second video on TikTok, we're going to post a 1-minute video, or we're going to post a 5-minute video presentation on Facebook Marketplace, or we're going to post that 5-minute video on Instagram, okay? Millions of people are going to see it. They're going to tap a button and buy your product. Glasses, makeup, shirts, clothing, whatever you're selling, man, it doesn't matter. Real estate, houses, condos, multi-million-dollar properties in Malibu, California. Guys, this is what the big money makers are doing. Exactly what I'm telling you. And then you get paid. They get out their credit card or debit card, they do a money transfer, and they say, I want what this person has, this girl, this man, this woman. I love what they're saying. I love their product, and I want you. And they pay you immediately. Then it gets even better. We take that ad that is getting hundreds of responses, you're getting hundreds of sales per day, per week, per month, and then we scale the ad, which means we put more money into the ad. So instead of investing $5 a day, we invest $50 a day. You're just gonna make more money. Then when you see you're making more money, you go from $10,000 a month to $30,000 a month, we put $1,000 into that ad every single day. That's right, I said $1,000 a day. This is what the big people do, guys. That's why they're rich and you're broke, or you're poor, or you're struggling. You're not poor, you might not be broke, but you're not where you need to be because you're listening to all these other idiots telling you, go post 100 videos, you'll go viral one day, and then you'll make millions of dollars. Bullshit. It doesn't work that way, guys. It's too hard. There's too much competition. I got a better way. Listen, one more time. Contact me here or tap the link in my description. Get me on a live call. I'll put you in this system today. But let me go over it one more time. Very simple, guys. Here's the system. It goes like this. You want to make $1,000 a day? I'm talking daily. I don't talk monthly anymore. Making 10, 20 grand a month is easy. You got to get cash flow coming in every day. How about 20, 30, 40, 50 deposits hitting your bank account, hitting PayPal, hitting your Stripe account, hitting your credit card merchant account system, 50 payments every day. Running an ad, one ad, presentation video. People go watch your presentation video. It doesn't have to be you. It can be anything. We'll create that for you. Number 3, they buy your product or service, or they get on the phone with you or one of your salespeople, and you close the deal. It's a 3-step system. Ad, presentation, get paid. That's it. If you love the idea, tap right here, WhatsApp me, get me on a live call. I'll help you set it up in one day, or tap the link in my description. Love to help you guys. This is the only way for the future. I'd love to be there for you.